Hey guys, it's Lizzie and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am a New York blogger and travel content creator, and I am just so excited for today's vlog. Have you guys ever wanted to do like a food crawl or just a walking tour through part of the city? Well, I am so excited because today Seaside Tours has invited us out of a food walking tour of Little Italy and Chinatown, and I just cannot wait to try all the pizza and all the dumplings and cannolis and just all the yummy food that we're gonna have today. It's also their Lunar New Year, so it's gonna be super hectic. I know there's a parade going on and just all this like chaotic, amazing stuff happening, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So anyways, let's go do it.
What's up, guys? My name is Leo. I'll be your tour guide for this food tour of Chinatown and Little Italy. It's gonna be very fun. So how I like to do tours is that I like to sprinkle a little facts in there. I don't like to be a fact machine because I think Wikipedia is for that, you know?
Yeah.
So I like to sprinkle little facts, but I like views. I like fun facts and stuff like that, fun, immersive stuff. And then I like eating because this is a food tour. So we're gonna have a lot of fun with it. So if you guys are ready, let's get on with it. All right,
I think we're ready.
Yes.
Nice. So, by the way, do you guys know what Tribeca stands for?
It's gonna be 3 something.
No.
When I found out, I was like,
no, I don't.
all right, so Tribeca stands for Triangle Below Canal Street.
Oh, okay.
So Tribeca. Triangle Below Canal Street.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I love how, a lot of like, I don't know if you guys know, like a lot of like names for places are getting shortened. Soho, exactly.
Yeah.
So
That's
you know,
true.
so when you guys know one, show me one. Exactly.
Yeah.
So after they built the drainage system, they said, hey, let's start again. I don't know why, but they said let's start again. So they built the pond again, and they called it Paradise Square. If you guys know any the musical Paradise Square, this is what
I've heard of it. Yes.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it. Okay, yeah.
So this is what this was based off of. So they filled the pond again, called it Paradise Square, and then in the 1820s, what happens when you just let a body of water just sit there? Of course, it's going to just ferment and just start to stink. And it was inhabitable, and a lot of people just moved out of here. So they decided to drain it and then call it Collect Pond Park from here on out. So
Okay.
that's our first spot of where we're going.
Yeah.
And then, if you guys are ready to go,
Let's do it.
I'm ready. Here's a quick little tour.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, good. So I have to.
All right, Leo is spitting all the facts for us.
Everything you just said, it was like,
Yeah, check out.
So yeah, guys,
I didn't know
I'm excited.
But no, he hasn't complained. He hasn't really complained.
So guys, we made it to our first stop. We're gonna have dumplings, and it's fried dumpling. And where are we?
Right now we're at Fried Dumpling. We're gonna get 13 for $5. Call that a steal.
Yeah.
Let me see. Are you okay with sriracha?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you
Can we get in?
We get in there, yeah. Okay, ready?
You gonna cheers it?
Cheers.
Cheers, I got 2.
Watch me drop this, hold on.
Huh.
Oh, that's good. That's really good.
Oh, okay.
That's how they stay away from the feds. Come on.
No, I know.
That's a good
All right,
point.
so actually we're gonna walk up here so we can catch some of the.
So guys, we're gonna try to catch some of the Chinese Lunar New Year parade, because actually it's today. So let's do it.
You know, these people will remember it, you know. So we get to find a way so we can skip all of this. This is Chinatown right here. This is really the main heartland of Chinatown. We were on the border of Little Italy and Chinatown. This is where a lot of the merchants are, you know, they have their businesses, they have their community all set up. You kind of forget that you're in New York City.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Yep.
So they would meet here and they would have their brawls and they would have, so a lot of killing happened on the street.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry to say that we went from dumplings to killing to murder.
This is New York City.
Yeah, literally. So these Chinese gangs, they're called Tong.
Okay.
So a lot of Tong, gangs existed. I'll show you guys one, a Chinese Merchant Association Tong that has like a whole pagoda roof building and all that. I'll show that to you later.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, so a lot of, there was an actor, Ah Foon. There was an actor, Ah Foon, that he made it. He was he was an actor. He was also part of one of those gangs. So what happened was he ran down the street, and I'm gonna show you guys right where there's a secret passageway that gets you out of this street and onto the other side. So I'll show you that, and then I'll picture it. We can walk on the street.
Okay.
Got it. Okay. Because there's no more
Yeah, that's it. You see where it says chemist?
So this right here was the secret passageway that would get you down and use an underground passageway and will get you on the other side for people that didn't want to, involve themselves in any kind of trouble late at night or anything.
Yeah.
So that actor that I mentioned, Afu, he took the secret passageway. He didn't want any, because he would go and he was very controversial because in his movies he would mock other gangs and stuff like that. So he used this passageway to get to the other side. He got all the way home. He thought it was great. He was on his balcony and he got shot.
I was gonna say something happened.
Yeah.
So, you think that you're safe until you're.
I wonder if they made a movie about this.
Honestly, they should, and call it the Bloody Angle. Yeah.
You've heard it first here, guys.
Yeah. I thought it was.
So guys, this is the oldest restaurant in Chinatown. Definitely gonna have to come back and check it out.
Huge long line.
Oh yeah, there's a whole
waiting
line.
to get in.
Oh, it's so cool. Ooh, I've heard of this place, been meaning to go, and look how popular it is. It smells amazing.
They built this colonnade here to make it look more presentable.
That's so
coming
funny.
into Manhattan because the Brooklyn Bridge is just that magnificent.
It is a good looking bridge.
It really isn't.
Nope.
Do you think putting this there kind of made things look a little?
It really just took something straight out of the
A for
entrance
effort.
to
So guys, I really didn't want to talk in there and be disrespectful because there were people praying and giving offerings, but that temple is absolutely gorgeous, and it's crazy because I've lived here for so long. It's been almost 15, almost 17 years I've lived here. Never even thought to go in there. So yeah, this is just one of those awesome things about doing a tour like this. It's like I'm noticing things about my city that I just pass on a regular basis, and yeah, highly recommend this, guys. If you have one of these in your own town or you're here, even if you're from the city, there's still so much to learn. So yeah, let's keep going.
not any worse than usual. There you go.
Hey guys, this is Lizzie from the future, and before we get into the Little Italy portion of our video, I just really want to give a big thank you to Seaside Tours for gifting me this tour. It was such a great experience. They have tours in over 22 locations, and all of the tours are super immersive. They're all in small groups, so everything seems super private, and you really get a good sense of whatever location it is that you get to see. Like I said, Leo was such a great tour guide. I've been told they're all great, and yeah guys, you should definitely check them out. Even if you live in the city where they offer the tours, like there's just something new to see, something new to learn. Like I learned so much on this tour that I didn't know, and like I said, I've been living here for close to 17 years. So yeah, definitely check them out. I will leave all their information in the caption below, and let's head back to the video.
This is where Lucky Luciano had his famous, bootlegger's corner. He was a famous bootlegger, and then he got in trouble because he started to import Irish whiskey and Caribbean rum. And so mafia bosses,
rum.
yeah, right. And so do I. Mafia bosses found out about it, so they shoved him. They had him at gunpoint, shoved him in the limo like a movie. They took him to a beach. They stabbed him, left him for dead, and he survived. And that's how he got his name, Lucky. And then he turns around, comes back, and cuts a deal with the boss's boss, and kills the boss and becomes second in command. So Lucky Luciano, that's his story. He's sticking to it.
That is so crazy.
Yeah.
And he was the one that he was the one working on.
Also, this is one of my favorite pieces called Don't Tell Brooklyn.
I will.
But you'll see why the Regina slices here are honestly some of the best. You guys are New Yorkers.
Yeah.
Look
You
at
guys tell me.
Okay. So guys, this is called the Regina slice. It kind of basically is like a margarita slice. So it comes highly recommended. I'm super excited. So we're gonna get into this.
I love it. I go, yeah.
Here we go.
Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate that. Isn't that a great? It's better than day 4 oil.
Look at that oil.
No,
So good. So good.
Something like that. It was no catacombs for Leo.
And look at that. Ancient order of the hyper.
Why? Because a lot of people were against this church being built. So the warpedness is from all the people rioting and pushing on the wall to kind of like break it down to stop the building of the church. So that's why you see it's on the other side too, because it was all. So what I love about this is that this used to be a school for children of color. Yeah. So all the space was used for a school until it was demolished in the 1800s, and then the late 1900s, 1970s. Alan Raver he turned this into a sculpture garden, and then in 1990s it opened up to the public.
Okay guys, so we made it to our cannoli spot. So I haven't probably had a cannoli since the San Gennaro festival, so it's been a long time. Okay, like a year, or more, but I'm ready.
So where we are right now, this is La Bella Ferrer, what they're famous for. Now this is an Italian bakery owned by a Chinese family, which kind of brings this whole like Chinatown, Little Italy food tour all together, because food comes from all cultures, and I love the respect that goes in between each culture. So let's try some cannolis.
I'm ready.
How you doing?
Got the black and white.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Yes. And then the rainbow cookie, right?
Yes, they're my favorite.
Rainbow cookie.
Ooh, we get it. So excited.
And then the cannoli. Now, is this a normal cannoli or is this pistachio?
Ooh, okay.
That's pistachio cannoli.
Pistachio?
Yeah.
So good. So good. Okay, I'm ready. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do a sin, but whatever.
Good soup.
Yep. And it's on your shirt again.
That was a solid.
That was good,
That
yeah.
was like a good half.
But yeah.
I never eat it like that. We're on our final stop. We had to take a little detour here because the dragons were like coming in and out of the store, but we've made it to the sponge cake spot. So excited. I love sponge cake. Alright guys, we got an original sponge cake here. Sponge cake. Here we go. Did you try yours yet?
We're like the guys where you took your first bite and we're already done. Yep. Isn't it?
That is so good.
So you have to get it.
Hopefully not on the ground.
All right, so that was our food tour. I hope that you guys had as much fun as I had, and like I hope that you guys even learned just one thing. Then I did my job. So like I love the city. I love giving this tour. I love food. So please, I hope to see you guys again, and I hope to join me on another one of these when it gets warmer. Come on.
Guys, ask for Leo when you do these tours, okay? Ask for Leo. He's awesome. So guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. We're actually gonna head back home. We have to like run up. It's my dad's birthday. But as always, guys, if you have made it this far in the video, you should like, subscribe, and ring that bell and stay up to date with all of my vlogs. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.